Welcome to the ultimate list of 10 gift ideas that you should buy from Tallinn, Estonia. Honestly guys, I feel like Estonia is full of talented artisans that very few people know about, whose products are handcrafted, absolutely bespoke and unique. And this list is handpicked by yours truly, filled with crafters that I had the privilege to meet in the last 3 years. And to make it fun, we have gifts that are starting from €5, going all the way to €500. Let's start. At the price point of €5, I have these gorgeous looking handmade postcards. They're made by wonderful people at Labora, and honestly what has caught my eye is their very unique design. It's a mix between hand-painted illustrations and beautiful calligraphy. These postcards are handmade out of recycling paper, so they don't have this polished finish, they have this more kind of like rustic feel to them, which I really like. But the actual reason why I feel these cards are gonna make for a very unique souvenir is because some of their cards are seeded, so you're kind of getting two in one. You don't just get a beautifully handmade postcard, but you're also getting a mini garden to be. So after use, you can plant these cards and watch them grow either into a beautiful patch of wildflower seeds here or some cress for your salad, which I personally think is a wonderful idea. And these cards go for €4, which is a fantastic value for money, and you can find them in their beautiful shop in the heart of the old town, which honestly feels like a hidden room of Hogwarts. I feel like this is going to make for a very unique present, which is full of character and make you remember your trip to Tallinn. Let's move on. At our price point of €15, I have the most delicious gift on this list. This is a box of chocolates by Cioccolala, which is the preferred choice of our Prime Minister. Honestly guys, no joke, our Prime Minister offers gifts exclusively Cioccolala chocolates at their state visit. And in the middle here, I have the most popular champagne truffle, which we're gonna taste in a minute. What I actually want to draw your attention to is this Estonian reindeer moss that is covered in chocolate. Yes, you heard me right. And look how it is presented. Honestly, this box is super sturdy and it makes me feel like I'm gifting very expensive jewelry that you can still eat. And what I like about Cioccolala is that traditionally they work with Estonian ingredients, and in our case moss. And honestly guys, it's not like I get to eat moss every single day, so for me it is as weird as probably it is for you. Smells of chocolate. Here you go, look at this. You can still see bits of moss here and a little bit of chocolate around it, and I really like how it just shines. I think it should be fine, right? Crunchy. So the moss has this kind of earthy taste to it, and honestly it feels like I'm eating Estonian forest, which is cool. And texture-wise, it feels like I'm eating a wafer covered in chocolate. Very delicious. And I think for $11.50, it's a very fun gift. Will definitely be a conversation starter at your dinner table. Cioccolala has a lovely shop in the old town, which is absolutely full of different flavors of bonbons that you can mix and match into a beautiful box. They also have a factory just behind the shop, which means that your chocolate is as fresh as it gets. And at the bottom, they have the Museum of Chocolate, which is free to enter. So pop in there and check out where the chocolate is coming from and how the whole chocolate production is working. The champagne truffle covered in popping sugar. Owner's favorite. Crunchy. This is a dangerous present. I'm just going to be nibbling them off the camera, guys. I'm sorry. Moving on. At the price point of €15 to €20, I have probably the best smelling product we have on this list, and no, it's not a candle. Here I have items made out of wood, and fun fact for you guys, 50% of Estonia is actually covered with forests, so we have plenty of talented woodworkers, so that buying something made out of wood in Estonia is a good idea. And here I have items made out of juniper. I love juniper wood because it smells absolutely fantastic, and by just having these items out in my studio, my whole room smells like Estonian forest, which is awesome. They are absolutely beautiful looking, but my favorite item is this heat-resistant tray. I really love the pattern. I really like how individual juniper stumps are put together, and I feel like having something like this in your kitchen will transform it straight away and make it a much cozier place. And all these items are natural. There's no plastic here. They're very durable and will last you to a very long time. And the best place to buy them is at the Eesti Esindus, which is next to Maja Small Cafe, the oldest cafe in Tallinn, which is literally less than 1 minute away from Town Hall Square. And when you are at the shop, ask for the leaflet that explains exactly how to treat your wood properly, so then you have beautiful Estonian wood serve you for much longer. At the price of 25 euros, we have these gorgeous ceramic cups made by Earth with Fire. I personally feel like ceramics are having a bit of a comeback right now, but before I talk about this cup and why it's on the list, I really want to talk about the artist herself. I had the privilege to meet Delis at her studio, and while she was showing me her collection, it became very quickly very clear that every single piece has a story. Whether it's the type of clay that she's using or whether it's the colors that she's using in her pieces. Like here in this cup, I have white and blue colors, which represent Estonian winter landscape, which I think is fantastic. The cup looks absolutely gorgeous, and I also feel like it makes for a very unique souvenir when it comes to Estonia. I really like how it sits in my hand. It's proper nice and sturdy, and I think that finding a perfect morning coffee cup is not that easy. So when you come across something that is so bespoke, that is so sturdy, so durable, at the price of 25 euros, I honestly cannot think of a better present for any coffee lover or tea lover out there. You can find her collection at studio at Põhjala Tehas or check out her Etsy shop, which will be linked in the description box below. Finally, I can start looking forward to my morning coffee. Alright guys, well done, we're halfway there, and our next present or gift idea is at the price point of 40 to 45 euros, Estonian traditional hand-knitted mittens. And if there is one thing you should know about winters in Tallinn is that they are so cold. And by wearing these mittens, I'm sure your hands are gonna be proper warm and comfortable. Honestly, my hands here are proper snuggly right now. And the reason why I have chosen these mittens is because of the pattern. It comes from the Fisherman's Island Kihnu, and for centuries they used to use only black and white wool, adding a little bit of red wool at the hems of the mittens, which meant to protect the wearer, which is really cool. So this is a very traditional pair of mittens. I personally love a little bit more color in my clothing, so I really like this cerulean mittens here. And lately I've just noticed that more and more local people are wearing these traditional types of mittens, which honestly makes me really happy. And you can buy these mittens at the Estonian Craft Shop. There are 2 in the old town of Tallinn. And what makes these shops very special is that they are run by the Estonian Craft Union, whose sole mission is to preserve Estonian traditions and patterns. And there are over 200 different artisans on display, so I'm sure you'll find a lovely gift that is also authentic. And the best bet is that you also get 10% off with Tallinn card, a lovely little bonus. And if you like watching content from Tallinn and learning more about Tallinn, please consider subscribing, as there will be more awesome content coming your way. Alright, we are moving towards more contemporary Estonian designers, and at the price of 45 euros, I have here an upcycling t-shirt by the Estonian designer Red Aus. Probably the best way to describe her design is that it's quite clean, quite minimalist, and here I have this black and white t-shirt that I think will work probably with any outfit in your wardrobe. It feels proper nice in my hands, it's 100% cotton, and Red Aus's signature design is this arrow, which is basically a symbol of upcycling. And if there's one thing you should know about the upcycling is that it's the best way to use already existing materials. For example, you take your old jeans or you take the roll ends at the factory level and you create new fresh wearables out of it. It's the most efficient way of using the resources. And if I look, for example, at the label here, whilst they were producing this t-shirt, they saved 75% of water, 88% of energy, and it emitted 80% less of CO2 in comparison to the similar garment that is made out of entirely virgin materials, which I think is fantastic. And yes, Red Aus is a huge advocate for sustainable fashion, but she's also a very cool lady, because this year she also designed the official Team Estonia collection for the Paris 2024 Olympic Games. This is the t-shirt, one of the examples, which honestly adds Red Aus straight away into my badass list. So you can go and check out her t-shirt collection on the website or pop into her quite fabulous studio at Telliskivi. Let's move in straight away into our next gift, which is medieval jewelry that is dripping in history. What I have here are 2 boxes from Allar Altmets Jewelry, and let's just say it's not your typical bling. I want to start from this box here. This is his top seller. Ta-da! This is this gorgeous Viking style hand bracelet. It looks proper nice. Honestly, just kind of holding it in my hands, it makes me feel like I'm some sort of Game of Thrones character. The whole thing is handmade. It's made out of silver, and honestly, whilst I'm just holding it in my hands, it just weighs quite a bit, like surprisingly quite a lot. The main part here is hand braided, and at the very ends, you have two fiercely looking dragon heads that are guarding each other. And what's really cool is that Aller actually designs them himself, and then he uses cast mold in order to bring them to life. And I actually seen a couple of different prototypes in his studio. They look proper dope. So I have to say this is a very unique looking hand bracelet, and it's probably one of the most expensive items that you can find in his collection. However, there is something else that I want to share with you that is steeped in actual history, which is this gorgeous looking coin ring. And what makes it super special is that the coin inside is an actual historical coin that was used for trade here in Europe. Guys, and I must say, when I stepped into Aller's studio, the first thing I've noticed was this gigantic, authentic suit of armor. There were so many different designs of runes that he's using in his metal work, and also he showed me loads of coins from different parts of Europe that he's using in his rings, such as this one here. So it's honestly safe to say that Aller doesn't just make medieval jewelry, he actually lives it, and you can see it in pieces like that. And honestly, guys, I have to say, just putting this ring on my finger, it looks so beautiful. I really like chunky rings, so it's definitely my type of jam. And honestly, I think that this ring is a perfect conversation starter because you're not just wearing a really cool piece of jewelry, but also wearing a piece of medieval history. So I feel like this ring would be a perfect gift for any medieval buff out there. You can find Aller's creations at the Estonian Crafts shop next to the Town Hall building or on his Etsy page. Obviously, all the links will be in the description box below. Go and check them out. Let's move on. Next, at the price point of 300 euros, I have this beautiful hand-painted ceramic plate by Aro Porcelain. That's nice. Aro Porcelain is run by Liisu Aro, who is the third generation artist in the family. This plate here is a bit of a showstopper. Really love the colors. Honestly, the plate is just beaming with life and energy. I love the playfulness of the fruit and the lovely gold detailing here. It's just a very fun plate to have. And frankly, I'm really happy to see the notion that Estonian people are two-tone people being shattered here. I completely understand that 300 euro plate might not be for everybody, so Liisu also does smaller sets, and here we have a 2-plate set that already comes gift wrapped. I haven't actually seen the plates inside, so we're gonna unwrap this gift together for the very first time. Ooh. I love the pink color. Aro Bohemian Luxury, and it's a bit of a spoiler of what we're getting inside. Ooh la la! Nice, nice, nice! Absolutely gorgeous. So here we have 2-plate set that goes for 77 euros. I really like the contrasting colors, the yellow and the red, and I have to say that I'm a little bit in love with Liisu Aro's whimsical design. Honestly, it makes me feel like I'm attending the Mad Hatter's tea party, and I feel like any piece of cake would taste that much better from this plate. You can find Liisu Aro's porcelain either on her website or pop into the Estonian Design House in Rotermann. This is the type of vibrant colors you want to have at home, especially when it's winter time. It just brings a bit of sunshine into your kitchen. And honestly, for 77 euros, I think it's a steal. At the price of 450 euros, I have this lovely leather bag or a purse by Stella Soomlais. This bag here is called Capital of Plenty, and yes, it is an expensive accessory, but it's also investment for life. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It is made out of beautiful vegetable tanned leather, which is durable, but it also ages beautifully. And when you open this bag, oh, it just smells of proper leather, which I really like. And the best way to describe Stella's design is that it's quite minimalist, quite clean. You get what you see, you don't get any extra unnecessary bells and whistles. So with this bag here, we only have one zip pocket at the back, and the clutch itself has only one main compartment, and inside you have a place where you can pop in your cards. And I think our life is mostly about functionality, so having the bag where you can only put 2 to 3 items is actually ideal. With your bag, you also get a card cards with quite vital information, such as your unique serial number of the bag, who has made your bag, and also where is the leather coming from. And in our case, it's coming from Denmark, which is quite cool. And the best bit about Stella Designs is that, let's say you're no longer using this bag and it's just sitting in your wardrobe collecting dust. You can actually bring it back to her studio and she's going to give you store credit towards your new bag. And this bag is not going to be thrown away. She's going to disassemble it and make new wearable items out of them. It might be a makeup bag, it might be a keychain holder here, or a card holder. So no leather will be wasted, which I really like. Go and check out her website, which will be linked in the description box below, or better yet, pop into her Teleskivis studio to see what sort of leather goodies you can buy from there. The last gift for today. And oh boy, do I have something amazing here. Honestly, one might think that coming up with a gift idea for 500 euros might be a difficult task, but in my case it wasn't. The guys from Guild were on top of my head from the very inception of this gift list idea, and without whom this whole video would not come to life. Before I actually show you the final gift, I really want to talk about the Guild and their absolutely fantastic shop. The guys at Guild are quite often referred as musketeers of our time because of how masterfully they blend their medieval-inspired craftsmanship with modern design. And everything there honestly looks absolutely fantastic. Once you enter, you are transported straight away into the early 20th century, sort of like Hercule Poirot era. It's a 10 out of 10 recommendation. If you're in the old town of Tallinn, definitely pop in there. The guys at Guild do not only make just clothing, they also make fantastic hats. And you do know my love for a beautiful black hat. And whilst I was in the shop, I had an opportunity to try many different hats there, but I landed on this beauty. This is their River Suede hat, which has quite a wide brim, and I have to say, just holding it in my hands makes it feel like it's proper luxury, it's proper sturdy, it's just super nice. So I think it's time to swap my hats. Bye bye! Look at this! Oh my god, it feels so lovely on my head. It's proper nice and sturdy. I feel like a proper mademoiselle right now. And honestly, by just wearing this hat, it makes me feel like I'm part of the Musketeers gang. Guys, this is a wrap. Thank you so very much for watching this video. I would really love to know what was your favorite gift and why. And if there is anything that I have missed, so please do let me know in the comments down below. This is sadly our very last video for this year, so I want to say thank you very much for being with us throughout 2024. I'm wishing everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I will see you back in 2025.